Hello everyone, so my name is Pascal. I would like to join the One Book July challenge. So I usually don't post in the internet space. I don't share on a lot on social media, but I said to myself, what not this time? So I am here to share with you my current setup and also what I will be using for the month of July. So I can say that I am a planner addict. I love planner, I love pen, paper. So yes, I follow also the Plan With Me video, even if I am not a decorative planner, I am more functional planner. So yes, so I am currently using 3 planner: the Erin Contract planner hourly, a Filofax, and also the Moleskine. So I am currently using the Erin Candler is only for work, and I use it from Monday to Friday. And yes, so I really like this one because I can really use it to check my hour. So for example, for next week I have already set up for July. So here we will not work. I will work on Wednesday and Thursday. I work on Friday morning. At my work we do the summer hour. So I don't work on Friday afternoon during summertime. And here I have covered with stickers for take my note for the week. For next week, it was like that. So here it's what I have for the moment. And yes, so I really use it from a functional way. I don't decorate with stickers. And yes, so this is for my work. At work also I use this notebook. It's during my meeting and when I look for information, a question from one of my co-worker, and I look online. So yes, I will use this notebook to write every day also. So yes, at work I really use that. After I have my Filofax. So the Filofax is really, I use it, to be honest, weekly on Sunday at the end to start to plan my week. So here also I don't decorate my stuff. I will take the week. For example, we are this week. I didn't have big stuff to do. I just plan okay. And with my phone, I check my meeting at work. And what I will do, I will just plan my workout. And sometime here, I will say, okay, Friday, I will go also to do the grocery. And that's it. So I only check this Filofax for the weekly. So here I have all the week. And what I do also, I have my master to-do list here, some note ID, and I have also my, I track my cycle here, my workout, and also I think I have the holidays, something like that. Yes, the holidays here. That's it. I don't use it every day. So here is my Filofax, and I use a Moleskine in pocket size. So I use it every day, this one, and here I really write all my to-do list for the day. So here, yes, to really remember, we are today here. So this morning I went to aqua biking, and after I didn't plan anyway. It's the weekend. I don't plan the weekend. So yes. So I use some more functional stickers here, and that's it. So also I would like to explain the way I plan. I plan really during the week. So the week from, I will say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I plan because I am someone who are very stressed and who want to stuff to be done, and I know that if I don't write, I will forget and I will not do it. So what I do, I really plan is this notebook every day for work and personal, and that's it. But during the weekend, to be honest, I will not plan at all. It's really for me today to decompress, disconnect, and so I will not plan at all. So for all this planner, except the Filofax, I will use a ballpoint pen. I use this pen for my Filofax. Is it my Filofax? I don't change. I use this pen. It's a Papermate. Is that yes? Papermate pen. I don't know if you can see. Yes, and I like the way it's right. So I use this one for all my pen, for all my notebook. Excuse me. So. Yesterday, I was watching Miss Vicky B video for the challenge, One Book July challenge, and she convinced myself to go big or go home, to do something new. So what is new for me is the bullet journal. So I want to try this system for a long time, but to be honest with you, when I see the video, I watch the video, I see the spread on Instagram, it's very intimidated because it's beautiful out there. Guys, you are artists, it's very beautiful. And I am a functional planner. For me, it's really to plan, and I don't really decorate. That's why I use stickers. Yes, grocery shopping, all this kind of stuff like I can do. I don't know if I did. Yes, I would add this kind of stickers. You can see. That's it. And it's very the bullet journal. When I saw the spread, it's beautiful, and I know I will not be able to do that. And and for me, it will be more stressful for me to go this way, to decorate and so on, that other. That's why also I don't do this kind of stickers for the week. First of all, it stresses me so much, and also for me it's too expensive. I cannot spend all this money for 1 week for the stickers. So I already try, but it doesn't work for me. So what I decided to use for the One Book July, I went online and buy not the Lush Churn because everyone uses it, but it's $26. So yes, I prefer to save money. I have decided to buy on Amazon. So I think it was $10 or $11 to notebook. So it's that grid. And here I will try to do, I will say, the challenge. So to be honest, I don't put pressure on myself. If I done well, it's great. If not, I really, yes, it's okay for me. And what I will use, I want to try to use my stamp because I never use my stamp. I buy the stamp, say, oh, it's great, and so on, but I never use it. So I said, I will challenge myself, like Miss Vicky B. First, my first challenge is to post this video on YouTube because it's my first video, and maybe I will not post on YouTube. It will be staying in my phone, but we'll see if I have the courage to do it. And I also will use this stamp set for the calendar. I think it's great. I have never used it also, of course, When sometimes you say, oh, it's cute, and you buy it and you don't use it. I was planning to use this one. I don't know if you can see it here. So it's from Kelly Berkeley, and I think it's very great. So I was thinking to use it and to use this one as well. Yes. And after, just some time for decoration, maybe to use this one. So yes. So and regarding the pen, I will use also the same pen, the Papermate, I was thinking, and maybe also my my fountain pen. I don't have it here. Let me check it. Take it. I will come back. So I have my fountain pen. It's a Waterman, and I always use a Waterman since I live in France. So yes, so I live in the United States here for the moment, but yes, I always use this French fountain pen Waterman since I was young. So I may use this one, and of course for the ink I will use different colors. So yes, it is my challenge for this month to use this notebook, this stamp, this pen, and most important for me to have fun and to be less stressed. So yes, and I am kind of excited to see what this month will unfold for me, what I will learn, and how I can improve myself and be less stressed in life. And yes, so you can leave some comments, and I will try to respond. So yes, anyway, maybe I would not have a lot of view on this video, but yes, we'll see. And thank you for watching, and have a nice weekend, and take care of you and your family. God bless you. Bye bye.